How to fix the issue where your iPhone screen is black but the power is still on. So if your iPhone screen is black but the power is still on, maybe you can hear the audio or the phone's vibrating, I'm going to show you how to go and solve this issue. Now all we need to do is a quick reset just by using a button combination. Now don't worry, this won't delete any of your personal data. So all we're going to do is tilt the phone onto the side like this, and you're going to quickly press the volume up button, the volume down button, and then you're going to hold the lock screen button on the right hand side of the phone. So let's do this together now. We're going to tap the volume up, tap the volume down, and then hold the lock screen button on the right hand side, and you need to go and hold this button for around about 45 seconds. So you may not see anything on the screen, just make sure to continue to hold this button down. After 45 seconds have passed, you should see the Apple logo appear. As soon as you see the Apple logo, that's when you can go and release this button. Your phone's then going to restart, and that's how to fix the black screen issue.